Welcome once again to a seminar of Goodwill Online Maths. In my tutorial today, I'm going to present graph of linear inequality. Inequality is like 3x greater than minus 12 and 2x minus y less than 7. Has variables. The variables are x and y. And the power or the index of the variable is 1. Please note that any inequality with the power of the variable or the index of the variable to be 1 is what we call a linear inequality. Then if you observe this inequality, the first one has one variable. The first one is called linear inequality with one variable. And the second one has two variables, x and y. It is called linear inequality with two variables. But in this video, I'm going to show us how to represent linear inequality in one variable on a number line. To represent this linear inequality on a number line, as we have that x is less than 2, we take congruence of two things, an arrow and circle. The arrow represents the range of values of x or y as the case may be, depending what we use to represent our variable. And the circle like this represents whether if it is an empty circle. It shows that the number at the top of the circle is not inclusive. But if the circle is shaded like this, that means the number in question is inclusive, where you have that x is greater than or equal to 2. Then we use a shaded one. But if it is x is greater than 2, we use an open circle. So we have that x here is less than 2. That means 2 is inclusive. That means an open circle. That means the values of x is less than 2. So x can take any value other than what? Which is less than 2. Other than 2. That means we use an arrow pointing down that the values of x lies in the left-hand side of the graph, of the line. Then the second one says that x is less than or equal to 3. This is my 3. That should be a shaded circle pointing same at the what? Left-hand side, showing you that x is actually less than or equal to 3. That means x can take any number that is less than or exactly 3. Then we have that x is greater than 1. That means the values of x is actually greater than 1. Then 1 is not also inclusive. So we have minus 1. We have our minus 1 here with an empty circle pointing straight to at the top, showing that the values of our x is actually greater than 1, greater than minus 1, which can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. The last one says that x is greater than or equal to 2. This is my 2. This should be a shaded circle because x is actually greater or equal to 2. So I have it to be like this. So thank you for watching. Thank you for viewing. Please kindly share this out there so that we can help and eliminate mass phobia. Thank you and have a wonderful day.